What is going on, guys? So in this video I'm going to be talking about my favorite camera and lens combination. That is the Sony A6400 and the Sigma 16mm 1.4. By far, hands down, my favorite camera and lens combo. I've been using this combo for years and it is easily my favorite. I love some of the features that you get with this camera and this lens, and for me personally, I use it a lot for multiple things. So you have vlogging, talking head videos, which if you look at the videos on my channel, most of them are filmed with this camera and lens combo. Man, it is freaking hot. I'm sweating while making this video. Probably should have made this in the house, but this is not going to be a full review video. I just want to talk about some of the features that I love with this combination. So like I was saying, one thing you could use this combo for is vlogging. So I have this set up right now. This is what I'm filming with, and this is how the field of view looks, which is something that I really like. I think it's perfect for vlogging because it's not super close and you can see a lot of the background. So if vlogging is something that you do, I think this combination is perfect for that. And this right here is me walking, so you can just kind of see stabilization. I have my arm extended all the way out, just for people who are gonna be using this for vlogging. So I want to talk about one of the main reasons why I got the Sigma 16mm. I got it because of the wide view. It's perfect for what I do. Like I said, talking head videos, just getting BTS footage, just overall content creation. But I also like the 1.4 aperture, so you could see how that background looks. You have that nice blurry background, which I'm a bokeh fanatic. I love that blurry background, especially when it comes to videos. So you can see that quality right here. I'll show y'all some more. Hopefully y'all don't hear that dog. So if that's something that you're looking for, that nice bokeh in the background, you get it with the Sigma 16mm 1.4. Now, something else about this setup that I really love is you have the flip screens. And this is something that I personally feel like I just need when it comes to like content creation, because I want to be able to just see myself while I'm filming, and it helps you with just framing your shots. For me personally, this is just a must-have. Some people are different. They don't really need the flip up screen, but it's something that I need for my needs, and it's a great feature of this camera. Now, the last feature that I love about this setup, specifically with the camera, is the autofocus. The Sony autofocus system is great, and I love that when I'm vlogging and just, you know, just in general, when it comes to autofocus, I don't have to worry about my autofocus being off, and I can just focus on content creation. The Sony autofocus is really snappy and fast. Right now it's detecting my face and staying locked on my face, and I do not have to worry about it. The Sony A6400, it has the touch autofocus feature, so I could just tap the screen on wherever I want to focus and it will stay locked on that particular object or person, and I love that feature right there. And not only just for video, but that helps with photo as well. If you're getting a bunch of shots or your subject is moving a lot, you can just lock that autofocus on that subject and you don't have to worry about it. So those are the features that I really love about this camera and lens combo. But I will say one con for some people, or just kind of wanted to point this out, is this combination is a little bit on the heavier side versus other camera and lens combos that I've used. So if you're vlogging, like I said, I don't have like a tripod or anything. I just have my arm out. This can get a little bit heavy on your shoulders. Maybe your shoulders will start to ache, or you have to switch because it can be a little heavy. And it's not necessarily the camera, it's just the lens. The Sigma 16mm is a nice size lens, so it's a little bit heavy. So I would say that's something just to keep in mind if you're gonna get this combo. So those are just some of the features that I love about this combination. Like I said, I have been using it for years, and I feel like if you're into content creation, even if you're a photographer, videographer, you cannot go wrong with this combo. It is very powerful and it is very versatile. So if you're interested in this lens or camera, I will have some links down below. They are affiliate links, so if you do purchase anything through those links, I will get a small commission. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to drop it a like, subscribe to the channel. I'll see y'all in my next video. Peace.